Hey guys, here's my low-tech math video of finding the difference quotient. So go ahead and zoom on in. So our first program, our first formula, we've got f of x equals square root of x minus 1. So our formula to find the difference quotient is going to be f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So if we plug this in to that, we're going to get square root of x plus h. So that goes into there, minus 1. So here we did that's that. Minus f of x, which is square root of x minus 1 over h. So these radicals are really ugly in there, but there's a really good, easy way to get rid of them. We know from algebra that when you have x minus b times, a minus b times a plus b, if you FOIL that out, you get a squared plus ab minus ab minus b squared. So we can do that with here, having this be our a and this be our b. So that means we're just going to multiply the top and the bottom by 1 in the form of radical x plus h minus 1 plus radical x minus 1. So let's do that. We've got x plus h minus 1 plus radical x minus 1 over, same thing, to make it equal 1. And we're going to multiply that by this, x plus h minus 1 minus x minus 1 over h, which is going to give us, right, this top thing is the same a minus b times a plus b, right, which is going to give us the a squared minus b squared. And here our a squared is radical x plus h minus 1 squared, which is going to take that away, minus our b squared, right, our b is radical x minus 1 squared, again taking that away, and then of course the bottom here is h times this radical x plus h minus 1 plus radical x minus 1. If we simplify that, right, the squareds cancel out the radicals. We've got x plus h minus 1 minus x minus 1. So that's minus x, that minus 1 is a plus over this mess down here, h times x plus h minus 1 plus radical x minus 1. This x and that minus x cancels out, minus 1 and plus 1. So now we've just got h on the top over h. These h's are also going to cancel out, so we have on the top a 1 over x plus h minus 1 plus radical x minus 1. And that is our difference quotient for number 1.